That is 2016, you're about 7 miles from B1, maintain at above 4,000 to establish on the localizer, clear the ILS 19 right approach, maintain 170 knots per kilo.
And 4 to left or left, so establish technical pilot 9 right, 160 kilo, catch 2015.
3390, did I give you approach clearance?
Negative, just the intercept localizer.
Alright, Brickyard 3390, over B1, maintain 3,000 to establish on the localizer, clear the ILS 19 right approach, maintain 170 knots per kilo.
Alright, 170 kilo, 3,000 to establish, clear ILS 9 right, Brickyard 3390.
Contact 46 is going to maintain 4,000 and flighting 150.
Charlie final 600,
600 Lima Charlie, Philly approach, roger, to speed of 170, they maintain 5,000 and confirm you're still on arrival.
Still on the arrival and reduce to 170 and then down to 5,000.
Brickyard 3390, 135.1, have a good one.
Brickyard 3390.
That's 46, starting 140.
Chapter 8154, climbing 220, estimate time, Taxi at 2121.